Welcome to the About the Face podcast, sponsored by the American Academy of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery through the Facial Plastic Surgery and Aesthetic Medicine Journal.
We are honored to share the latest results from our study, Changes in Periocular Asymmetry by Age and Gender, a three-dimensional photogrammetry study in a Caucasian population. As we all know, periocular symmetry is an important aesthetic indicator in plastic surgery. Then, how to measure and quantify the symmetry of this periocular area is a dilemma that every plastic surgeon or ophthalmologist may face today. Currently, direct measurement, two-dimensional photogrammetry, and three-dimensional stereophotogrammetry are the primary methods for obtaining anthropometric data. In our previous studies, we found that three-dimensional measurement offers the advantages of accuracy and reliability compared to direct measurement and two-dimensional analysis. So, in this study, we recruited 301 healthy Caucasian people with normal eyelid function, used Vector M3 three-dimensional imaging system to collect three-dimensional images, and used FPSAM software to obtain data measurements of the periocular area from these images, and applied root mean square deviation to systematically analyze the degree of asymmetry in the periocular area. This method is, after mirroring the right periocular region, according to the sagittal plane of the central axis, match with the corresponding region in the left image, and then calculate the corresponding landmark distance between the two planes using the root mean square deviation. Get the periocular region's single value. A root mean square deviation of 0 represents perfect symmetry, and a larger root mean square deviation represents greater distance, which means more significant periocular asymmetry. Through three-dimensional stereo image analysis, we established a root mean square deviation database of periocular asymmetry in the Caucasian population. We found that periocular asymmetry is common. Meanwhile, we analyzed the data and found that the periocular root mean square deviation value was positively correlated with age. That is, as age increases, the root mean square deviation value in the periocular area becomes larger, and the increase in age aggravates the formation of this periocular asymmetry. In addition, we found that the mean periocular root mean square deviation value had a statistically significant difference in gender, which means Caucasian males have higher periocular asymmetry than females. These results suggest that in the Caucasian population, asymmetry in the periorbital area increases with age, with males being more asymmetric than females. Therefore, our study proves that it is feasible to analyze the asymmetry of the periocular area using three-dimensional stereoscopic photography images, combined with root mean square deviation. We speculate that, as age increases, because of the fat distribution in the periorbital region, or changes in the orbital bones may add to changes in periocular asymmetry. At the same time, the influence of gender in periocular asymmetry is also widespread. However, we also call for further study to apply this method to different ethnic groups and conduct aesthetic evaluations.
We'd like to thank the authors for presenting their work and thank you for listening. Catch you on the next one.